Sounds like he's on the move again, or going to be. I guess that's not an island, it's just weird trees or a little clump. He's going behind the clump of trees. Now let's see what he does. Kind of what he did this morning earlier around 7:30. It's now just a little after 9. He came back. Well, it looks like he's carrying something this time. That's new. How interesting. Well, the mystery is not solved. I don't know if the stanchions are in the way or not. Anyway, if he comes back over this way and goes over to that other place, I'll video that. Neil's over there, so maybe he'll see what's going on.